Welcome back to the channel. We're here on a Sunday. Team Bermuda training here. Got the boys out. Got everybody out here. Got Honorary out here. Blake.
Yes, sir.
Going over there.
Great makeup.
Yes, sir.
At Bulldog TV?
Yeah.
Great.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? There's a little training session. That's all. Yeah, I got a couple guys on here. Started off with some practice there, 7 and 10 pin. That's it. Just threw the ball around. Had a little warm up before that, stretch out all the muscles, and then now we just did 7 and 10. Had a full rack though. So, and then we're moving on to the next exercise. Stay tuned. All right, do any one step drill now. That's good enough. Yes. 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That'll go. Honorary here, Blake here, what's up? I have a funny training tonight. Yup. Gotta get better, right?
Sure. All different bowls, trying to get inside, see what it can do. Yep. Gotta make shots on this though.
Oh yeah, 37 feet pattern. I'm outside on that lane. I'm out here. Hey, if you guys need any cake, go check out Mal's Cake, bro. Where can they check you out on? Instagram?
Yeah.
Where to? What's the Instagram?
On the Jamal's Cake.
All right, there you go. That's how you throw the ball, baby. That's how you throw it. All right, look at the scoreboard. Looking nice, looking nice, looking nice. Hey, you take everything. That was a bad shot. Alright, that was it. That was a little training session here with Team Bermuda, the boys. So that was nice. Nice training session. Started off with 7 and 10 spur practice. Then we did 1 step. And then we ended up doing 3 steps approach. And then we threw about 2 games there. That was nice. Only 37 feet back. It was nice to play outside there. Outside of the lane. So, hey, if you guys like all this, let me know in the comments. And you know what to do already. Like and subscribe, guys. Please. Appreciate you guys all day. Peace out.